Hey guys, Joe here from JCS-Charting. It's Monday the 29th of July. Quick little DAX update. You see an hourly chart, JFD indication, and my last update was from right here. We took off from that sub-cycle low, had a little consolidation and run all the way up here. I called out for 18,539 when we were here. Remember that? That was our magnet. And it was also my magic number. That means that level is important, and we saw that this morning we have already a quite strong rejection there of over 130 points. And also keep in mind that 18,164 is still active for the bears, so they still have it under control as long as DAX is not able to manage an hourly close above that level. And this is our H4 time frame. It's our sub-cycle chart of the Cetra. It determines specific lows in a certain amount of time, in a certain time frame. And as you can see, these lows, they work out quite well. Here's a very nice example of a left-hand translation. That means that low got broken quite early in that cycle. That means it turned in bearish, and we call that a left-hand translation. Even re-rallied all the way up here. I kept saying there is or there should be another low below this one, and that happened last week. We were a little bit late, but then we rallied all the way up here again, almost for another 500 points. Usually these sub-cycles, when they take off, you have like 200 to 300 points as a minimum. And there's a new sub-cycle low due this week. If you want to know more about it, or you want to get more specific details, you're welcome to sign up at jcs-charting.com. And there's not only the DAX, there's also the US markets, gold, and so on. Yeah, this is gold, also an H4 time frame. I was showing that in my last video as well, that blue bullish Wilbur wave wedge. It got definitely recognized by the market by rejecting here, pulling back, and then breaking back into that wedge. We had a nice buying zone here, which was quite large, but it worked out perfectly, and the targets are still within the 24.55 area. By switching into the H1, yeah, you see here the hourly candles, they clearly triggered above 23.95. The first min target is 24.06. There are even more targets, but these are for my members only. Last but not least, the S&P 500 hourly chart on the cash. You see the entire sell-off here from the all-time high to these lows and to a sub-cycle low we determined last week. I still consider this here as an A, B, C correction, even we had these large gaps, so I expect them to be closed this week, at least this one right here. There are two major resistances, the regular one at 54.91, which was the high from Thursday, and 55.53 is my magnet number. And if we get all the way up there, we either see a strong rejection, or if we get a breakthrough, this rally could get crazy for the entire week. That's about it. 3 quick updates on the DAX, gold, and the S&P. If you enjoyed this one, you can leave me a like or subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you want more details and want to go more into depth, you are welcome to sign up at jcs-charting.com for much more details during the entire day. I hope you have a nice remaining day and a nice start into your trading week. Thanks, and bye-bye.